Woodworking is evolving fast, and if you're still using only the basics, you're missing out. In this video, we're showcasing 15 next-level woodworking tools you need to see in 2025. Tools that can completely change how you cut, shape, measure, and build. Whether you're a weekend woodworker or a professional craftsman, these innovative tools are built for precision, power, and productivity. Stick around. Tool number 12 is something even seasoned pros are calling a total game changer. Without further ado, let's get started. Reliable support for heavy-duty materials is essential on any job site. The Ox Trade Pack-Down Saw Horse is a rugged, high-performance tool built to meet professional demands. Coated in the iconic Ox powder finish, it resists harsh job site conditions. Its compact folding leg design allows easy storage in your workshop or truck, while the spring-loaded mechanism ensures quick setup and prevents accidental unfolding during transport. With angled steel base plates for enhanced stability and a solid 800mm bamboo benchtop, it handles tough materials with ease. Supporting up to 400 kilograms and standing at an optimal working height, it reduces back strain and boosts job site efficiency. Accurate and slip-free measuring is critical whether you're in a workshop, studio, or job site. Meet JessEm's precision rulers are designed to deliver unmatched stability and precision. Featuring the patented Flex Grip System, these rulers grip firmly to any surface softer than steel, preventing slips and ensuring exact measurements every time. Crafted from 301 full-hard stainless steel, each ruler is CNC machined, flattened, and laser engraved with both 1/16 and 1/32 markings. The scale lines are deeply etched and engraved for long-lasting clarity. Available in both imperial and metric units and a variety of sizes, these robust and innovative rulers redefine accuracy for professionals and hobbyists alike. Installing groove decking quickly and accurately can be exhausting without the right tools. The CAMO ClipDRIVE tool is engineered to transform deck building with CAMO universal deck clips by delivering comfort, precision, and speed. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable fastening, while the weighted Nomar nose targets screw heads effortlessly, preventing scuffs and increasing accuracy. The ClipDRIVE installs groove decking up to 5 times faster, making it ideal for large projects. With a simple assembly process, adjustable handle height, and compatibility with standard drills, it streamlines workflow. ClipDRIVE empowers crews to build smarter, faster, and cleaner, making it an essential upgrade for any professional deck installer. Precision is essential when building larger woodworking projects, especially when transferring measurements with piston fit accuracy. The Woodpecker's Big Cal woodworking calipers are designed to meet that demand, offering machinist-style precision in 12-inch and 24-inch sizes. Big Cal's perfectly aligned jaws let you transfer critical inside and outside dimensions without even reading the scale. Each stainless steel blade features both 1/32 inch and 1mm engravings, plus reverse side scales for depth measurements. Ascribing the notch ensures pinpoint dimension transfers, while optional T-head and center attachments expand functionality for gauging depth or finding exact hole centers. Made and inspected in Strongsville, Ohio, Big Cal is the ultimate tool for woodworkers demanding accuracy and durability. For demanding metal and structural material cuts, a stable, precise, and efficient machine is essential. The Jet Elite EVS vertical band saw delivers the perfect balance of precision and performance with its 16-inch tilt frame design. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, it reduces vibration and deflection, while a powerful 2-horsepower motor drives accurate, clean cuts. The quick-action locking vise saves time and adjusts the left or right of the blade. Features include an inverter-driven variable speed, hydraulic bow control, swing-away control box, auto shutoff, integrated coolant system, and pressure wash hose. CSA certified and backed by a 3-year warranty, this saw is engineered for excellence. Precise hinge and latch placement is essential when installing new doors into existing frames. The Milescraft Hinge Jig offers a fast, accurate, and damage-free solution with its self-clamping design that requires no screws or nails. This all-in-one tool allows you to route hinge mortises in common sizes 2 1/2, 3 1/2, 4 and 4 1/2 inches on both 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inch doors. Easily switch between 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch radius corners, while built-in depth settings ensure accurate cuts every time. With included drop-in templates for latch mortising and onboard storage, this jig simplifies every step of door installation. Creating strong, precise joints in woodworking projects requires accurate hole placement and consistent performance. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig K4 delivers on both with a time-tested design trusted by professionals and DIYers alike. Featuring a 3-hole drill guide, it handles material from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick. Built from impact-resistant polymer, it includes hardened steel drill guides, wood chip relief holes, and a fast-action toggle clamp for efficient, clean drilling. The jig easily clamps or screws to your work surface and features onboard accessory storage. With simple lock nut adjustments and reliable precision, the K4 ensures quick, easy, and durable pocket hole joints every time. Consistent power and comfort are crucial for any demanding striking task. The AuxPro Ultra Strike hammer range delivers precision and durability with cutting-edge design. Featuring straight rip claws for easy prying, adjusting, and demolition, these hammers also include an integrated side nail puller and a magnetic nail starter to boost efficiency. The lightweight profile reduces fatigue during long hours, while the anti-vibration, non-slip grip handle offers superior control and comfort. A novel-shaped strike face enhances accuracy, especially for toenailing. The revolutionary bridge shaft design shifts weight toward the striking head, maximizing impact with less effort. Built for endurance and performance, this range is the premium choice for serious professionals. Tackling diverse home improvement tasks requires a single tool that adapts quickly and performs reliably. The Bosch Universal Multi-Tool is a cordless all-rounder designed for versatility, power, and precision. Its powerful motor and Syneon technology ensure optimum performance and extended runtime. With electronic speed pre-selection, you can match speed to the task and material, whether cutting wood, plastic, metal, or working with grout and mortar. Magnet Hold secures accessories for faster, easier changes, while a 4-stage depth stop offers control over cutting depth. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for quick DIY projects. Compatible with the Bosch 18-volt power for all battery system. Keeping your hands safe while making precise cuts on power tools is essential for every woodworking task. The Milescraft Grabber Pro Push Block is a professional-grade safety tool designed for use with table saws, band saws, router tables, and jointers. Featuring 4 diamond grip-coated legs and multiple setup configurations, it offers exceptional control and stability. The elevated profile keeps your hands above the blade, while the high-friction grip ensures steady contact on both sides of the cut to reduce kickback. With its angled handle for multi-directional pressure, adjustable sacrificial heel, and support for thin rips and tall pieces, Grabber Pro delivers unmatched safety and performance. Precision routing requires a stable, customizable workspace that delivers clean cuts and reliable performance every time. Introducing the Jet Woodworking Router Table, a complete solution engineered for serious woodworkers. Designed with options like a cast iron or MDF tabletop, precision router lifts, and a micro-adjust fence system, it adapts perfectly to your shop's workflow. The heavy-duty 4-post lift features a chain drive lifting system with above-the-table adjustments for accurate bit setting. Integrated dust collection around the router and at the fence ensures a cleaner workspace. With available feather boards, flip stops, and a rolling stand, this router table empowers precision, versatility, and productivity in every project. Accurately measuring and transferring wall angles is crucial for flawless miter cuts during carpentry and trim work. The Wolfcraft angular bevel gauge offers precise angle measurement and effortless transfer to miter saws for perfect results. Its 2 plastic legs adjust from 30 to 180 degrees and lock securely with an eccentric lever, ideal for tight spaces. The built-in magnets attach directly to the saw blade, aligning angles with ease. The automatic angle bisector ensures accurate miter cuts every time, reducing errors. Telescopic corner calipers measure outside corners, while a foldable stop enables direct marking on the workpiece, making this tool efficient and versatile. Accurately marking the center of boards and laying out joinery by hand requires precision and efficiency. The Woodpecker's MT Center gauge delivers both, letting you quickly find the exact center of your board and create perfectly centered mortise and tenon joints. With 4 imperial and 5 metric stainless steel marking bars, it works on stock from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches thick. Each bar features a precisely milled center hole for accurate marking, while the interchangeable design makes changing tenon or mortise widths fast and simple. Built in Strongsville, Ohio, this tool is now a permanent staple for anyone seeking reliable, dead center accuracy. Getting precise miter saw settings without wasting materials or making errors is essential for efficient carpentry work. Meet the SAWSET miter saw Protractor, the ultimate tool for instantly finding accurate saw settings with no math, guessing, or mistakes. Made from 8 inches of anodized aluminum and laser-etched for long-lasting clarity, this double-sided carpenter's protractor features 2 large, easy-to-read scales for both single and double miters. It works flawlessly on crown molding, inside and outside corners, and various trim carpentry tasks. Designed for compatibility with miter and table saws, SAWSET is perfect for professionals and DIYers looking to save time, avoid waste, and achieve flawless results. Finishing curved, detailed, and tight spaces requires a sander that combines control, power, and comfort. Meet the Bosch Easy Curve Sander 12, a compact ergonomic solution designed for corners, edges, curved surfaces, and smaller flat areas. Featuring power automatic, it intuitively boosts power with added pressure. A hook and loop system allows fast sanding paper changes, while the dust extraction adapter connects to a vacuum for cleaner work. Compatible with the Power for All 12-volt system and powered by Syneon technology, it ensures efficient energy use. With electronic speed pre-selection, low vibration, and long-lasting sanding nets, this tool delivers precision on wood, metal, paint, and even leather. And that's our list of 15 cutting-edge woodworking tools to boost your skills and streamline your shop in 2025. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. If you found something new or helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because we're bringing you more woodworking gear, DIY upgrades, and next-level tools every week. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.